guys, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. Today we are going to make the very famous Paneer Zingy Parcel. This is one of the attractions which everybody loves from the Dominos menu. You can always order it, but homemade things taste the best, and my family just loves it. So let's get started. First, let's activate the yeast. Put sugar in warm water. Then add yeast. Mix it nicely. Now allow it to rest for 10 minutes. You will see the mixture will become frothy. That means our yeast is activated. Next, add olive oil to it. Give a nice stir. In another bowl, take flour or maida. Add salt, Italian seasoning, mix everything and then add the activated yeast. Combine everything to form a soft dough. You can add dry flour if the dough is sticky. Knead it nicely for 5 to 6 minutes. Apply oil and knead again. Coat the surface with oil, cover and keep at a warm place. Let the dough rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we'll make the Harissa Mayo. For veg, I'll be using homemade harissa and mayonnaise. Take mayonnaise. This is eggless. You can find the recipe on my channel. Next, add harissa, chili or tomato sauce. Mix it nicely and then keep this aside. You can also use chili sauce instead of harissa or just use store-bought harissa mayo. Next, I'm going to make some garlic butter which will enhance the flavor of our zingy parcel. Add minced garlic to melted salted butter and give a mix to make the garlic butter. Now let's make the paneer filling. Take garlic butter in a pan, add coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder and saute for a few seconds. Add the harissa mayo and give a mix. Next, add salt, Italian seasoning and chili flakes. Cook at low flame for 30 seconds and then add the paneer or cottage cheese. Gently toss it so that the paneer is well coated with spices and the paneer stuffing is ready. Now let's check the dough. The dough has proofed nicely. Punch it and knead with your hands. I'm going to divide the dough into small portions. Roll it to give a flat sticky shape. Dust cornmeal. You can also use suji or semolina instead of cornmeal. Now roll it into a circle just like chapati size. Apply garlic butter. Fold the edges inside to make a triangle shape. Press it nicely so that it sticks. Now apply the harissa mayo and the paneer filling and some processed cheese. Bring the edges together and pinch to seal it nicely. Place it on a baking tray lined with butter paper. Now I'm going to brush garlic butter on all the parcels. Pinch it again. Sprinkle Italian herbs and chili flakes. Now I'm going to pierce a toothpick so that the parcels don't open while baking. I'm going to bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 25 minutes. Let me take out the toothpicks, brush some butter. This will keep the parcel soft and give a glossy look. Garnish with chili flakes and our mouth-watering Paneer Zingy Parcel is ready. I promise this one tastes far better than Dominos. This little pocket with yummy paneer filling is the most delicious thing. It's crisp from outside and juicy soft from inside. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods and please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.